This is IIT Mars Rover team. As a part of Mars Society's University Rover Challenge, in this video we are going to demonstrate drone deployment and its use cases.
We are using a custom-built drone with a Terran 650 carbon fiber frame. The drone has a Jetson and the onboard computer, and the transmitter used has a range of 5 km.
The simulation takes place in a custom drone track world with the Iris quadcopter, which is controlled using the PX4 autopilot flight stack. PX4 also provides flexible and powerful flight modes and safety features. The drone has a first-person view camera that helps in controlling and also helps in Aruko tag detection.
For the detection of AR tag, we are using an open source library, namely OpenCV, having Aruko marker detection function handles.
The Intel RealSense depth cam mounted on the drone provides wide-range high-quality video which is processed by the Aruko detection pipeline. Mobile phone mounted on the drone provides GPS data and video feed using a custom-built app over Wi-Fi to the base station. With this, we conclude our video submission for drone task for the URC 2022 competition.